This is the back of Mr. Horn's room. There's the Fab Lab. So the first thing, walk in, get yourself a pair of safety glasses. There may be there, somewhere along this table. And then, I'll be using the sander over there. It's that device. But first, come over and turn on the dust collector. I'm not sure if it's, well, let's see if it's even connected. Yeah, oh. Let me fix this. So check and see if this is hooked on, and then make sure this is open like that. There's a little, this opens and closes. Keep that open. This will just keep the dust down. And then walk over to this thing and turn it on. So this will eat your skin off pretty fast. There's a surface here that you can brace against. You'll have your peg box and it'll have that stair step pattern. So we'll turn it upside down. You just want to sand parallel to it. So the switch is right down here. The sander will pull this down, so you can hold it like this. You don't have to worry about it flying away. So you just do this, push sort of in and down a little bit, and keep checking the edge to see if you've taken enough off. And also see if it's a little skinnier here, a little wider there. That means I've taken more off over here than there. Check your edge. Make sure this is perpendicular to that, and when you feel like it's all good, then you can, you're done. Turn this back off, and turn the dust collector off. Don't forget to put your glasses away. We don't want to steal them from Mr. Horn, and quietly walk out.